What's up, everyone? Welcome to Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. Tonight. I'll be covering Tesla stock and the overall stock market. We've got some good news coming out from Tesla today. We're gonna cover why Cathie Woods is creeping up on Tesla and buying more shares now, and what we need to be looking out for the next few days moving forward too. We have some economic data coming out that could affect the stock market, and I don't know how that's going to happen, but all this is coming up and more. So check it out. Tesla closed at $725.60. It was up 1.65%. I don't know what that is. But at one point today, we got close to $750. We were almost there, like right there. And unfortunately, we started to sell off at 11 a.m. And so, however, if you want to talk about other sectors, the energy sector, ticker symbol XOM, Chevron or Shell, seems to be doing just fine. They're up 1.8%. And if you look at their, I don't know, their 3-month or 1 year, look how much they're up. It's ridiculous. Overall, stock market was flat. Some stocks sold off to the downside. But moving into Tesla stock technical analysis, we held the $700 key price level, and we've been holding it for a while. And that's what we've been watching. Forgive me, I'm going to be reading part of this part, but which is a very key support level. It is, and it really is. We've bounced back from it yesterday, and we're kind of edging our way closer up to $750. So and the volume today was decent for Tesla, and that's a good indicator about what's going on and moving forward. If we have a good volume, meaning people are buying Tesla stock. We do have this key inflation data coming out tomorrow. Not tomorrow, but for the month of May. That will be coming out on Friday. Tomorrow we do have the initial jobless claims numbers coming out, so that could be an effect on the stock market overall. But investors are expecting inflation to go down. There's been several investors that have determined that inflation has peaked. It is peaked, and it did actually start a few months ago. I don't know how much of that I believe. I do believe part of it because the kombucha drink I get has gone down $1, so that's cool. But we should be seeing a slow decline of inflation because the Fed is increasing interest rates and etc. So there's a slight risk of inflation thickening or going higher. Or actually, what I'm trying to say is there's a slight risk of inflation being a little tick higher. That's what for the month of May than for June, because of all the things that happened during that month regarding inflation. So that could be a little offset, but don't let that offset you too much. Tesla news. All right, Tesla news. Shanghai Gigafactory is going out of the closed loop system that they had with their workers sleeping at the plants this week, at the Tesla plant. And so They started to start the they restored the they restored to start they they started to the closed. Oh, I'm screwing up so bad right now. They closed basically they restored the closed loop system strategy to catch up on production. Basically, employees were sleeping in the factory, and about 8,000 people were turning shifts, meaning one shift work and then the next quarantine, the other half working and then the other half quarantine. So they got this strategy going on and it's working. So now the closed loop system is now not necessary. COVID restrictions are lightening up in China, and lockdowns in China too are being lifted. And in June, manufacturing businesses are going to back up to pre COVID lockdown, and not only for Tesla but for all manufacturing companies in Shanghai. So June is gonna be a good month. It should be a good month for manufacturing. We're still waiting on delivery numbers for the month of May, and we're expecting them to be lower because of the COVID vacation break. Or COVID, I shouldn't say that, COVID lockdown rules. But we'll see how Tesla stock reacts to this when the numbers come out. And so other news is we have this company called ticker symbol BYD, and that is a Chinese company Warren Buffett's involved with, and he started to supply Tesla with battery cells. And so this is a big deal. And one of the big benefits of this is the battery does not catch fire easily. It's a subtle hint about something else too. I don't know what it is. But the CEO stated I'm going to read this part. Tesla is a very successful company, no matter what. BDY respects Tesla and we will admire Tesla. We are good friends with Elon Musk and will soon supply them with batteries. We are friends. That's the end of the quote. So that's the answer he gave. And, solving a common goal is a good purpose, right? I think so. And so now, Cathie Woods, we are seeing an opportunity of a buy on a dip right now, good dip, potentially. And she's buying up Tesla, little shares here and there. I caught it on a few days ago. She bought it, I bought a share, and that was a cool thing. I usually buy it the day after when I find out she buys them. All free news on her ARC website, by the way. But talking about a few weeks ago, Cathie Woods bought on the major dip at 620 when Tesla went down to 620, and people are finding it's a good opportunity to hold for the long run. If you're going to be buying right now, it's suggestive that it is a good idea to use that as a long hold versus a short hold. And it's shown over time that doing it, I'm not saying I do it, but if you do it hold it longer over time, you will appreciate more money than if you did it trying to do it the other way. So what to expect tomorrow is inflation is expected 8.2% is the data. We got initial jobless claims. Overall market, ticker symbol SPY, we're looking at the range between $411 to $415. We'll see if we can get a breakout based off of the volume continually dropping. And because trading is in a tight range, and it's a tight range of positive If the trading, because we're trading in a tight range right now, we could see the volumes going down, right? But it could break up, it could break down, or it could break out. And so we're looking to see Tesla trade between $750 and $700. It's a tight range, but when we get the inflation data and we could see the overall stock market react and sell off, including Tesla, to the downside. If the overall market goes up, we might obviously see Tesla go up with it too. So if we can keep it so here's another thing. If we get a certain kind of individual catalyst, to, like, say, Elon Musk's tweets out something good about the Shanghai Tesla Gigafactory delivery numbers, that could just boost up this Tesla stock itself alone, without the overall stock market reacting to it. And so that's something to be it's important, and it's something to be on the lookout for. If we get close to or above $750, we could see it going upwards closer towards 775. I don't know, but we do have a solid support at $700. These are the key price point levels that I've been given and that I've been telling you and that I've been sticking to for right now. So if you have any ideas, let me know, or what you think about Elon partnering up with BYD, making battery cells from China, and what you think, if it's cool or not cool, or like what are your thoughts? Like, I'm tired of talking all the time. So if you like these videos, push the like button, and subscribing to the channel definitely does help the channel too. So I hope you guys have a good night, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.